Hey guys, my name is Dinkra Sethi and welcome to Lifestyle Within. Today I would like to talk a little about exercise programming for your home workout programs. And if you can stick to the end of the video, I'll also present to you a simple dumbbell based home workout which will not take you more than 10 minutes but work out all your body parts in the most efficient manner. So stay tuned, enjoy watching. Roll credits. So, one of the core problems with home workouts is the lack of knowledge about exercise programming. You might know 20, 30, 40, 50 exercises based upon your experiences, but you don't know how to put them on together. You might be able to watch credible sources on YouTube, watch good channels, and learn some dumbbell workouts, but you don't know how to put them all together. And that is the art which is called exercise programming. How to put things together so that it gives you progress, it prevents injury, and it keeps you entertained so that you look forward to your next workout. Exercise programming can be on a daily basis. So maybe if you have 15 minutes right now, so what can you do in those 15 minutes? Maybe if you have 10-minute intervals 4 times in a day, what can you do and fit into those intervals? It always doesn't have to be about that one long hour of exercise. So exercise programming on a daily basis, maybe on a weekly basis, hitting on some separate body parts, maybe outdoor cardio, indoor movements, maybe just meditation and breathing, a mix of all these. Your exercise programming is not confined or limited to just defining one session. It is uh, encompassing your weekly workouts, your monthly workouts, your yearly workouts. So if you sit with yourself for one day and just chart this for yourself, that'll be very good on your terms so that every day you don't have to think and spend that creative energy in making up workouts or just going aimlessly and working out. That's why someone who has knowledge of this, maybe a consultant, helps you in charting out this program, which takes away a lot of your excuses to not work out, maybe at home. Eventually, at the gym, also, where there are trainers, where there are machines, you just aimlessly pick up machines and work out. You just listen to your trainers who may or may not be that equipped. But that's where your own knowledge of exercise programming has to come to the fore so that you can use all these attributes to your advantage. Right now is the time of home workouts and people are working out at home, devising new ways, yoga, aerobic, Zumba. But how do you put all these things together is very important. So for people who have ordered dumbbells at home, and I just want to give an example to them. I have put together a variation of 4 different exercises which you can perform by just looking at them. I know most of you know how to work out. You might have a dictionary of 30 to 50 exercises that you are aware of. You can always better your knowledge of form because there's so many good resources available online. You can always learn the form from there. It always depends on your awareness levels and your willingness to learn. It's not a matter that you can only learn form when you are in person. For complex movements, for complex structures, obviously you would need assistance in person. But because we are limited right now, we can make the most of the digital medium and learn form online. And once you've had those forms in mind, once you're working out to avoid injury with proper form, you can look at these 4 exercises with dumbbells, perform them, maybe 1 minute for the entire exercises. It might have 1 or 2 variations mixed together. Then take breaks of 30 to 45 seconds. Then the next exercise and do all 4 in a union. And then once you feel confident, you take 1 2 minutes off and then repeat it. So that makes do for maybe 10 minutes of your workout routine. So this philosophy of working out, this programming of working out is really essential and important for you. So always work upon it because the investment of 1 or 2 days or the investment of a certain amount with a coach or a consultant really benefits you in the long run and keeps you focused, keeps you sustainably healthy. Because if you have a good program, you will always keep doing it, and all good health changes take time. So enjoy these workouts, share this video with someone who you like, who you want to inform about exercise philosophies. I hope you have a beautiful day. Pranam.